In this video, I'll show you how to set up Google Authenticator on your Binance account using the latest version of the app. First, open the Binance app and log in. On the home screen, tap your profile icon in the top left or top right corner. In the menu, tap Security. This is where you manage all your protection options. In the Security section, look for Google Authenticator or Authenticator App. Tap it, then tap Enable. Binance will usually ask you to turn off other login methods first or confirm your email/phone, so just follow the prompts and tap Next until you reach the setup screen. Now you'll see a QR code and a 16-digit key. Open the Google Authenticator app on your phone, tap the plus button, then choose Scan a QR code or enter a setup key. If you scan the QR, just point your camera at the QR on Binance. If you use the key, you copy it exactly into Google Authenticator and save. Google Authenticator will now create a 6-digit code that changes every 30 seconds. Go back to Binance and tap Next. Binance will now ask you to enter the code from Google Authenticator and one or more other codes like email or SMS. Type those in carefully, then tap Confirm. Once it's successful, Google Authenticator is now linked to your Binance account. The next time you log in, withdraw, or change security settings, Binance will ask for that 6-digit Google Auth code along with your password. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.